Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Google Pixel for a 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the LCD screen removal from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to the screen a little, and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. And also, we are using isopropyl alcohol to dissolve the glue on the screen edges. Be gentle in this process and cut the adhesive using a car pry tool. Next, flip the screen gradually to about 90-degree angle from the top, and then pull out the LCD connector bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector to free the screen from the body. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 9 screws on the mid-frame plate. Next, using a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker, move around the frame to release the plastic clips. While pulling out, be gentle. Cables are connected with the logic board. Pull out the housing and gently lay the back curve from the top on the surface. Be extremely gentle in this process. Do not apply force to the phone or cables. Next, take out the logic board bracket by undoing 7 screws. While pulling out the bracket, be gentle with the flex cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the fingerprint button and flash sensor plugs from the board to release the back cover from the body. Next, flip the body frame and remove the adhesive tape covering the battery pull tabs. There are 2 battery pull tabs in this model. Next, gently grab the pull tab from a tweezer or fingers and then pull away until it slips out from the battery. This process will take time. Be gentle and hold the phone steadily while doing the process. Take out the adhesive strip and next, apply the same steps to remove the other adhesive strip from the battery. Next, flip the body and release 2 adhesive tapes holding the battery. Next, gently pry out the not working battery from the body. Next, place the new Pixel 4a 5G battery with adhesive. Next, place 2 adhesive tapes on the battery. Next, maintain the back housing to 90 degrees and secure the fingerprint and sensor plugs to the board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the board bracket by adding 7 screws. Next, gently slide the body to the housing from the top and then to the bottom. Next, gently press to fasten the clips on the body with the housing. Next, insert the SIM tray. Next, secure 9 screws on the mid-frame plate. Next, place and connect the LCD screen plug and connector bracket. Next, turn on the device for verification and testing. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Gently slide in the screen from the bottom and then to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we add in binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.